What if I told you there's a side hustle booming across the USA right now, and almost nobody is talking about it? It's not dropshipping, it's not crypto, and it's definitely not filling out endless online surveys for pennies. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because what I'm about to share could genuinely change your financial game this year. So what is this mystery side hustle? It's called AI-powered content repurposing. Sounds complicated, right? It's not. In simple terms, you help businesses and creators take one piece of content like a YouTube video or a blog post and turn it into dozens of smaller pieces for other platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, LinkedIn posts, and email newsletters. Think about it. Every single business, every influencer, every coach is desperate for more content. They spend hours creating one long video, but then they don't have the time or the know-how to chop it up and spread it everywhere else. That's where you come in. You become their content multiplication machine. The demand for this is exploding because visibility is everything online. More content equals more eyes, more leads, and more sales. Businesses know this, and they are willing to pay top dollar for it. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not a video editor. I don't know how to do all that. That's the beauty of it. You don't have to be a tech wizard. There are incredible AI tools available right now that do 90% of the heavy lifting for you. Tools like Opus Clip or Descript can take a long video, automatically find the most viral-worthy clips, add captions, and format them perfectly for different platforms with just a few clicks. Your job is to guide the AI, pick the best snippets, and deliver the finished product to your client. It's more about having a good eye for content than being a technical genius. Let's break down how you can get started this week. First, get familiar with one or two of these AI tools. Most of them offer free trials, so you can play around without spending a dime. Watch a few tutorials, upload a video from a creator you like, and see how it works. You'll be amazed at how intuitive it is. Second, you need to find your first client. But don't just spam people with "Hey, hire me" messages. That never works. Instead, use the value-first approach. Find a small business owner or a creator on YouTube or LinkedIn who is posting good long-form content but has a weak presence on short-form video platforms like TikTok or Reels. Then, using your free trial, take one of their videos and create 3 killer short clips from it. Make sure they're polished with engaging captions. Then, send them a simple email or a direct message. Say something like, "Hey, I'm a huge fan of your content, especially your recent video on X. I thought it had some amazing points, so I took the liberty of creating a few short clips for you that I think would do great on TikTok. No strings attached, feel free to use them. If you like them and want more, I'd be happy to chat." This approach is a game changer. You're not asking for anything. You're giving them pure value up front. You're showing, not telling. 9 times out of 10, they will be so impressed and grateful that they'll either post the clips and tag you, or they'll immediately ask about your rates. So, what can you actually earn? When you're just starting, you could offer a package deal, 15 short-form videos a month for a few $100s. As you get more experienced and build a portfolio, you can easily charge $1,000 a month per client, or even more. Imagine having just 3 or 4 clients on a monthly retainer. That's a full-time income for part-time work, all from the comfort of your home. The reason this is exploding is that it solves a massive, expensive problem for businesses in a way that's incredibly efficient. This isn't just a fleeting trend. It's the new standard for content marketing. You're getting in on the ground floor of a service that's becoming essential. So to recap, the side hustle is AI-powered content repurposing. You use simple AI tools to turn long content into short clips. You find clients by providing free value up front. The income potential is huge, and you can start today with 0 investment. Stop scrolling and start doing. Take that first step. Go sign up for a free trial of an AI editing tool right now and see for yourself. The opportunity is right here, right now, but it won't be a hidden secret forever. Thanks for watching. If you got any value from this, a like and subscribe would mean the world. Let me know in the comments if you're going to give this a try. See you in the next video.